Welcome to this tutorial on the time-date control command. In this video, you'll learn how to use the time-date control command in Linux to control system time and date. Let's get started. So, what exactly is time-date control? It is a systemd utility that is used for controlling the system time and date. It allows you to manage time zones, network time protocol or NTP synchronization, and real-time clock or RTC. It replaces older utilities like date, hardware clock, and NTP date. It is available on most modern Linux distributions that use systemd. Let's explore some basic usages. To display the current date, time, and time zone information, simply type time-date control in your terminal. The output shows the local time, universal time, RDC time, time zone, system clock synchronization status, NTP service status, and whether the RDC is set to local time. Now let's see how to set the date and time. To set the system date and time, use the command sudo timedatectl set time followed by the desired date and time in the format year, month, day, hour, minute, second. You will need root privileges, hence the sudo. To set only the date, use the command sudo timedatectl set time followed by the desired date in the format year, month, day. To set only the time, use the command sudo timedatectl set time followed by the desired time in the format hour, minute, second. Keep in mind that if NTP synchronization is active, manually setting the time may be overridden. You might need to disable NTP synchronization first with sudo timedatectl set NTP false. Let's explore managing time zones. To list all available time zones, use the command timedatectl list time zones. This will give you a long list of available time zones. To set the system time zone, use the command sudo timedatectl set time zone followed by the desired time zone, such as America/new_York. After setting the time zone, the output will display the updated time zone information. Now let's learn about NTP synchronization. To enable NTP synchronization, use the command sudo timedatectl set NTP true. To disable NTP synchronization, use the command sudo timedatectl set NTP false. To check the NTP status, simply use the command timedatectl show. NTP or network time protocol keeps your system clock synchronized with global time servers. When enabled, the systemd time synced service manages time synchronization. This is useful for servers and systems requiring accurate time tracking. Here are some additional options for time-date control. To set the hardware clock to UTC, use the command sudo timedatectl set local RTC 0. To set the hardware clock to local time, use the command sudo timedatectl set local RTC 1. To show the status in a different format without using a pager program, use the command timedatectl status, followed by ~no pager. Set local RDC controls whether the RTC or hardware clock is in local time or UTC. Status shows the current time settings, and ~no pager outputs the information without using a pager program. Another useful option is ~adjust system clock, which updates the system clock when setting the RTC. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.